BMT. Hope you guys had a good start of the year, and today I'm ready with my new video. I'm going to talk about 10 words that we mispronounce. So we all understand the importance of pronunciation when we speak any language, be it Hindi or English. तो आज हम 10 ऐसे words के बारे में बात करेंगे जिनको हम probably अपनी daily life में use ज़रूर करते हैं, but हम उनको बोलते गलत तरीके से हैं. So let's see कि उन words को बोलने का सही तरीका क्या है, how to pronounce them correctly. And the first word is February. Now this word is generally pronounced like, you know, by people like February, February, but the correct pronunciation is February, just the way it is spelled and written. So for this word in particular, we're going to pronounce it just the way it is written. So we're going to go by the spelling for this one, February. So the correct pronunciation is February. Okay, now we move on to the second word, which is almond. Good for skin, good for hair, but how do you call it? You call it almond, almond, almond. These are all the incorrect pronunciations. So how we call this word? We call it almond. So the L is supposed to be silent here in this word, and we're going to pronounce it as almond, right? Okay, now we move on to the third word, which is espresso. Now it is a type of a coffee, and I've seen a lot of people calling it espresso. Now just because you know that you know this prefix called X, you're not going to use it here. This is not an espresso. There's no X in the spelling as well. So you're going to call it espresso, right? So next time you are there in your favorite cafe to order an espresso, please call it espresso. Okay, so the next word on board is women. Now this is very interesting to know that it is such a common word, and most of us make mistakes while calling this word out. Now people call it women, woman, woman, and you know, that's how they call it, but the correct pronunciation for this word is women. Here in this word we will replace the O and the E with I, and which makes it women, W-I-M-I-N. It makes it women. So it is the plural of woman, and we call it women. That is the correct pronunciation for the word. And the next word on board is my personal favorite. I love eating pizzas, but I've seen a lot of friends of mine calling it incorrectly. They call it pizza, 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 pizza. So these are all the incorrect pronunciations. How we call this word is, we introduce a T in the pronunciation, which is not there in the spelling, but we're going to call it pizza. P-I-T-Z-A. It is called pizza. That is the correct pronunciation for the word. Okay, we move on to the next word, which is receipt. Receipt is basically an acknowledgement that you get while you submit something or deposit a form or something like that. So you call it always receipt and not receipt. So the P here is supposed to be silent. And how do you pronounce it? You pronounce it as R-E-C-E-E-T. Receipt and not receipt. Okay. The next word is dengue. So it is a kind of a disease. I'm sure all of you know what it is, but I've seen a lot of people calling it dengue, but that is the incorrect pronunciation. How you call it is dengue. That is the correct pronunciation for this word. So you're not gonna stress on you here, and instead of you make it an E, and that's how you make it dengue. That is the correct pronunciation. Okay, moving on to the next word, which is Wednesday. Now this is not Wednesday. You do not have to go by the spellings for the word. You have to call it Wednesday, right? That is the correct pronunciation. Okay, so the next word is comfortable. Now comfortable तो बहुत ही easy और you know common word है जो हम रोज use करते ही करते हैं, and I'm sure we're using it daily, right? But we call it comfortable, which is wrong. So R here in this word has to be silent. You have to call it comfortable. O and R both are actually silent in this word, and you will call it comfortable. Comfortable. That is the right pronunciation for the word. Moving on to the last word on board, which is jewelry. Now we call it jewelry, jewelry, but these are all the wrong pronunciations for the word, and the right pronunciation is jewelry. Yes. So next time you are there to buy your jewelry, please say that you are there to buy jewelry and not jewelry. Okay guys, so that was it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you've liked the video, please go and subscribe to my channel now, and also hit the bell icon so that you're notified whenever I upload a new video. And yes, also if you want to know about more such words that we mispronounce, do let me know. I'll upload a video soon about such words, because I could talk about only 10 words here, but there are more such words that we can talk about. So let me know about it, and also I thank you all for watching my video, and please subscribe to my channel, and happy watching. Thank you.